Hello, Willie Stoltz here, used truck sales manager for Industrial Power Truck and Equipment. Today we're going to be looking at this really nice 2020 W5500XD. It's a 19.5 GVW truck. But before we jump into that walk around, make sure you hit that subscribe button and that notification bell. So every time we put new equipment online, you'll be notified and you can take a look at it. We bring our trucks in from our leasing department or for our customers' trade-ins, which this particular truck came from. We go through the cabs, bodies, lift gates, tires, brakes, engine, transmission fluids. Any discrepancies that we find, we run them through our medium shop and our body shop to get those fixed. Once that's done, we do a QC test drive, clean up, get them ready to put them online for our customers to look at. On top of that 150-point check, we have done the engine oil filter, fuel and air filter has been changed. The DPF filter has been cleaned in this truck, and it is pre-qualified for that AGWS extended warranty. Let's take a look at the inside of the truck real quick. As we climb up in here, got plenty of grab handles. This particular truck has got a nice suspension captain's chair in it. We got two-person bench seating, so you can have a crew of 3 in here. We've got the AM/FM CD radio in here. We've got air conditioning, cruise control. We got the great outward and upward visibility since this is a cab over truck sitting on top of the axle. It's very maneuverable. This truck also has a backup camera on it, which is a really nice safety feature for your guys. And as you can see, being a 2020, this truck has been very well maintained, taken care of. Be a great truck for you guys to get in and start making you money with. Let's take a look at the business into the truck real quick. A lot of people aren't aware of this, but Industrial Power has been an Isuzu dealer for over 30 years. Even though this is a Chevy 5500, it is still an Isuzu product. So we know what it is to give service before, during, and after the sale of the truck. A lot of times you start looking at pre-owned trucks, the corner caps knocked out, bodies are in bad shape. This truck's in really, really good shape. It's a Southern truck, aluminum. We've got a really nice 2,500-pound tuckaway gate, 80 inches wide, 48 inches deep. It is a ramp or it's a wedge instead of having the ramp on it, so you can get your stuff up on here a lot easier. Gets up to the top just like it should. This is a 1691 tall, so it's a little taller than your normal small truck bodies. 96 wide. We've got the plywood, 2 rows of E-track, metal scuff at the bottom, and we can add more E-track if you need it. In our body shop, it's got a FRP front wall. We can add E-track to that also. It's got a side door with a step saver we'll get to here in a minute. It does have the translucent roof in it, which is pretty nice on even a cloudy day like today. You can see in here pretty good. Sunny days you can see better. We've got the dome light in it, and the laminated hardwood floor still has a lot of life left in it. The gate works just as good going down as it did going up. This is a little unique body. Like we say, it does have the side door. It's 36 inches wide, 72 inches tall. It's a swing door. This has the aluminum step saver steps in it, so you can step in and out of it without having to go to the back and use the lift gate if this is more convenient for you. You can also put a platform across there if you want to use the whole floor for some reason. This body is in really, really good shape. We can take and wrap it with your name, your graphics, your design, phone number, and the cab also, if you'd like to, turning that fuel money into advertising money while you're driving down the road. Again, a really nice 2020 W5500XD 19.5 GVW, plenty of carrying capacity on this truck, fully serviced, pre-qualified for that AGWS extended warranty. You can go to our website, iptruck.com, our Facebook page, and please make sure you go ahead and hit that subscribe button and that notification bell so you can be notified every time we put a new piece of equipment on and you can stop and take a look at it. Stick with us for a minute. We're going to tilt the cab on this truck and do a little bit more of an intimate walk around of just the truck so you can see it running. And as always, we do appreciate your time.